Swim, walk, paddle with Nick and Alexander. It's F-U-N and it never gets old. Swim in the pool, in the river, in the ocean. Walk in the bush, don't worry if it's hot, and don't worry if it's cold. Swim, walk, paddle with Nick and Alexander. Paddle up and down in the rivers and the creeks. Swim, walk, paddle with Nick and Alexander. It's F-U-N, even if we're getting old.
Welcome to Swim, Walk, Paddle. This video is a little bit of kayaking and some fish feeding on Ned's Beach and calling the Petrels down on the southern end of the island. It started off a bit of an overcast day, but look at that rainbow in the background, just glorious. So we took some kayaks out in the morning to explore the northern end of the lagoon. Until the weather set in, and then we took the kayaks back and headed over to Ned's Beach to do some fish feeding. The yellow dot is where you go in the water and stand in the water and feed the fish. There's little cups of fish food that you can buy from the shelter shed. I left the audio in from the fish feeding.
I'm just going to go this way.
Oh my gosh, over there guys. Woo! Woo! Okay, there's a lot of fish.
Oh my god, that's so pretty though. Hey, look at there's a caravan down there. Oh my gosh, you guys.
Hello! Hello, Bobby! Woo!
Oh, what's that? Something oh, the points, they're not staying, are they?
So whack your legs yet? Oh, look, I'm going to go over this actually.
Oh, thanks, honey, that's great. That's my camera. I'm not eating my camera, dude. Don't honey, please not, please don't. Okay, that's enough again.
Oh, Lord. I thought they were much littler when I was a little kid.
Oh, Lord. Woo, people. This is sensible. Sensible is.
He's not very far.
Either that or he's learned a good trick.
I think he's learned a good trick.
Okay, last one guys. One coming out here.
Woo! Woo!
Okay, that's it off, pretty.
Because when I go in and out of the water,
They think that this camera.
on the swell they can't help but sometimes give you a whack.
I don't have any more quick followers. I don't have any more guys. I gave it all away.
Honey, this one followed me up the beach, cut off my escape. What's that one with the big fin behind her?
And I was mucking around with Alexander, but there was a little baby shark floating around with all the other fish, trying to see what it could get. And then we went for a bit of a snorkel afterwards. Still at Ned's Beach, and saw a turtle. And then saw either the same baby shark or a different baby shark. And it was still raining when we left Ned's Beach. That was fish feeding at Ned's Beach. Then we went to the southern end of the island to call to the Petrels.
Hey baby! I'm so excited to meet the birdies.
And I don't know if you can read any of that really that comes up readable, but the Providence Petrels, apparently if you call them down, they'll come and land near you, so we gave it a try.
Okay. Okay, is anyone else coming? Okay. Okay, alright.
The inception of Condor Woman begins. So yeah, there must be no. Just go. Are they coming? Oh. Are they? Yeah, I know they are, yeah.
So the Petrels didn't come down and land, but there were little wood hens already on the ground, flightless birds, about 2,000 on the island.
Well, that's my best. But likes you, honey.
Swim, walk, paddle with Nick and Alexander. It's FUN, so come on, let's go.